Formoa 207i is a single-component hybrid polymer adhesive. It is designed for bonding and sealing applications that require a less aggressive product to help prevent environmental stress cracking. It's a multi-purpose adhesive that can come in either 290ml cartridges, 600ml foil packs, or bulk options. Formoa 207i has a skin over time of 20 minutes and is bondable for a maximum period of 45 minutes after application. Good bonding strength, very high flexibility, helps reduce environmental stress cracking, low viscosity, good resistance to UV and chemicals. It doesn't have very high bonding strength for structural applications. It can be slow curing, and it will cost more than the standard Formoa products. Is Formoa 207i a good adhesive for you? If you're looking for an adhesive that can bond and seal and will help reduce the threat of environmental stress cracking, Formoa 207i will be a good option for you. If you want a stronger and faster adhesive or a standard adhesive sealant, you should look at alternative products in the Formoa range. If you want more information about Formoa 207i, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.